Okay, any excuse to get me outside making a video. I woke up this morning, I was watching a ton of video related tutorials and I wanted to go out there and practice it. I wanted to go make something. So I hope you enjoyed that little B-roll sequence of me and my second son Toby. He's gone off to school now, so let's get into this tutorial. Now what I want to talk about today is the correct way to build out your funnel, because I see this so many times, people doing it wrong. Now, the important thing to remember here is that you need to work backwards, okay? You have all these different elements. So I made this very basic little diagram here to try and explain it a little better. So we have our landing page, our thank you page, we have our autoresponder, we have our sales page, we have our affiliate links, and we have our emails. Now, we need to work backwards from here. Now, obviously we can't do anything about the sales page, but we can go and get our affiliate links, so we can start there. Okay, now to do that, I'm sure you've seen this a million times before. You just go over to Munchai, you go and check out the product that you are going to be promoting. You go to their JV page. Okay, so go to their JV page here, and then you click on grab your link. Okay, it's going to take you through to JVZoo or Warrior Plus or ClickBank or wherever you are promoting on. Okay, you need to log in first. Have yourself a notepad ready as well to write all these links down. So first one, affiliate link. Okay, grab your link. Get links. Okay, and let me go and drop that in here. So this is the first thing that we need. So we've got our affiliate link, we're working backwards. Next thing we need to do is sort out our autoresponder, okay? Now what we're going to be doing in this little tutorial is making a short follow-up series, okay? Now what a follow-up series is, it's a series of emails that go out every day for the space of maybe 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, however long you want. And those will go out on a daily basis, and they will remind people about this product that you are promoting, okay? So we're going to start with our autoresponder. So the reason I'm going to be recommending GetResponse, reason being is because it seamlessly integrates with JVZoo. Also, you don't need to have what's called double opt-in. Now, you can switch off double opt-in in Aweber, but when you first join Aweber for the first 14 days or for the first 30 days, it's compulsory to have double opt-in switched on. Now, I hate this double opt-in thing, because if you're going to be paying traffic to get subscribers and you have double opt-in on, it's going to mean that you're going to lose a lot of those potential subscribers which you've been paying for. So GetResponse doesn't require that you automatically have this double opt-in feature on. Okay, you can switch it off from the get-go, even with a 14-day trial. So there's a link down below this description, in the description of this video, to go and pick up GetResponse if you want to use GetResponse. I'm going to be using GetResponse for all of my tutorials, so if you're just getting started into this, it's a good idea that you do pick up GetResponse. Okay, link down below with a 14-day free trial. Alright, so what you want to do first of all is create a list. So you click on list, you click on contacts, okay, and then you click on create list. Right, so you're just going to name it something. I'm just going to call this one Jono. Sorry, we can't have capitals in there, so Jono _ demo _ list. Right, boom. Alright, that already exists, okay. Jono, okay, I'm just going to put a 1 on the end. Jono demo list 1. So we've created our list here. Next thing we need to do is create our emails. So to do that, go over here to this drop down menu, click on email marketing, okay. And then from the tabs up here at the top, you're going to click on autoresponders. Okay, and then over here, you're going to choose the list that you just created. Okay, now at the moment it says secret weapon, because that was the most recent list that I created, but we're looking for that one that says Jono _ demo 1. This one right here, demo list 1. So I need to uncheck the secret weapon, because we're only going to be dealing with this list for this particular autoresponder. So click on OK, and it says there's nothing to display what's next. So we need to create an autoresponder. So we click on this blue button here, and we're going to call this Jono demo 1. Okay, obviously you would want to call this autoresponder after the name of the product that you are promoting. Okay, so for this example, the product we're promoting is called Ultra Suite. Okay, so okay, I'm going to call this Ultra Suite. Okay, so it's going to go into the list that's called Jono Demo 1, so we need to go and find that one. All right, and then enable all of these, just check all of these and leave this at the time that they signed up. That means if they signed up on Monday at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, the Tuesday email is also going to go out at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. The Wednesday email is going to go out at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, so on and so on, okay? Next thing you want to do is create a new email. So you click on this little button down here, and it's going to load up your email. So you're going to think of a suitable introduction email for your very first email. So depending on the product that you're promoting and your funnel, you could say something like, I don't know, thanks for joining my list, bonus inside. Okay, gonna copy that and we're gonna paste that into the subject line. You can go ahead and use emojis and stuff here. I usually use emojis in my subject lines. I find that they really, really help. After you've created your email subject line, just click on next. Okay, and then you'd go and craft an email. Now, I don't suggest you use any of these templates because they're very HTML heavy. There's a lot of colors and images and stuff in there. You just want to make it as plain as you can. So I suggest that you go for plain text. Okay, and then you can go ahead and you can write your email here. Now, I'm going to cover follow-up series in a different video because it's going to make this video way too long. But this is where you'd write your emails. Once you've written your email, okay, you just click on next step. Okay, you make sure that all this information is correct. So your autoresponder name, the list that you're going to save it to, remember the one that we just created, make sure that that's right, and then just click on save and publish. Okay, now once it's loaded up, it's going to take you through to a page that looks like this. The default is going to look like this. Oops. The default is going to look like this, but I like to have it in this grid order. So I click on this, and the first email, this is going to go out immediately. But if we just switch to this grid view, okay, just click on the plus button, we can add a new email inside of here. So I'm just going to call this welcome. Okay, need to choose the list. So Jono demo list 1, send out immediately, and then go and create an email. Now I'm just going to choose one from one of my previous emails. So this is usually the first email that I send out. Just wait for it to load up. Okay, so I'm going to choose that message and I'm going to save and publish. Now this is going to add it into that autoresponder. So the email that you wrote, the first email, you need to add that in here. Now you need to do the same for day 1, so that you just click on the little plus sign. I don't know if I did that a bit too quick then. You just need to click on the little blue plus sign down here to add in a new email for the next day. So you'd make your subject line here. I just go with an about me email. Make sure that you choose the list that you set up. So Jono demo list 1. Okay, and then you go and create another email for that day. Now I'm just going to go and choose one. I'm going to go and choose my about me email. Okay, choose that, save and publish. And there we have it. Our day 2 email is ready. So go and do the same for day 3, day 2, day 3, day 4. And once you've done that, we're done with the autoresponder. All these emails are going to be lined up, ready to fire on those particular days after these people opt in. So next thing we need to do is go and build our pages and integrate everything. So the first thing that we're going to build is our thank you page. Now in one of my other tutorials I talked about Thrive Content Builder. This is a plugin that you can use with your WordPress site to build landing pages and thank you pages. So these are the 2 example landing pages that I've got. This is this is the email capture page where they enter their email and their name. Then that's going to redirect to this thank you page where it's got a video of me looking like a bit of a clown, and then they go forward to the sales page via my affiliate link here. Now that might sound a little bit complicated, but like I said, we need to be working in backwards order. So the first thing we're going to do right now is make our thank you page before we make our landing page. So To do that, you just go into your WordPress site. After you've installed Thrive, you click on Pages, you click on Add New, and then you'd think of a name for your thank you page. Now, I'm just going to edit this straight away because I'm not going to build this from scratch. It's going to take too long, but it's pretty simple to do. So, okay, so once it's loaded up, you have access to all of the elements that you can use in here, images, buttons, etc., etc. So you need to make yourself a headline. I usually go with a thank you, and then I have a video on there. This is just like a simple 1-minute video. And then I say that your product arbitrage start guide has been sent to your email inbox. This would be my lead magnet, okay? This would be like a very short, quick start guide that I've made, okay? And then this is what I'm giving them in return for their email address, for them opting into my landing page, okay? So you can see here, get your free product arbitrage guide, and then they enter in their name and email address. Now I've said here that that free product arbitrage guide has been sent to their email inbox. Okay, that means that the very first email that we create in our autoresponder needs to have a link to a place where they can download that free guide. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so the next part, this is where I go into details on promoting a product which is something to do with the free guide that I've given away, right? Which is arbitrage. So what I'm doing here is I'm promoting a full course on arbitrage, and they will buy this course and I'll get a commission if they buy it. So they're obviously interested in arbitrage because they're after my quick start guide. So this is the logical next step. So, want an unfair advantage in arbitrage? If you're serious about product arbitrage and would like a head start in the game, earning hundreds per day, then find out more here. Now what I've done here in this button, okay, I guess if you're starting from scratch, you just go over to this plus area here, you'd add an element and you'd have a button in there, okay? Now, inside of this button, you'll be able to drop in your affiliate link where it says here, button link. So you would go and grab your affiliate link. Remember, we saved it in this notepad. So copy that and you're gonna paste it into here, okay? Don't have it open as a new tab because you want this to be pretty seamless. So when they click on this button, that's going to take them through to the sales page for whatever you're promoting, and then if they buy it, you get your commission, right? Okay, so we've made our thank you page here. The only thing that we need to do is, let me just get rid of that. The only thing we need to do is save it, okay, and then click on preview. And what you want to do here is in the address bar, you want to copy this whole address bit, but without the preview bit there. Okay. So you want to copy this whole URL here up until the final / So you got / preview equals true. You don't need that part. You just need this. You just need this part. Okay. So we're going to copy that. Right click, copy. We're going to go into our notepad and we're going to write thank you page. Okay, and we're going to paste that there, and we're just going to leave that. That's going to be ready for the next step. Okay, so going back to our diagram, we've done our thank you page. The next thing that we need to do is make our landing page. So again, you go into your WordPress site, you go to pages, you go to add new, and you're going to create a landing page. Now, this is pretty simple. Let me just do it with you. Okay, so add new. Okay, and I'm going to call this page arbitrage free bonus lander, something like that. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, it doesn't really matter, to be honest, but you just you name it something and then you click on publish. Okay, now once this has stopped spinning around, once the page is finished loading, okay, you're going to click on launch with Thrive Architect. And then the page is going to look something like this. Now, we don't want it to look like this. It's too much going on. We got my logo. We got all of this stuff. It's just way too messy. So we want to get rid of this stuff. Okay, so you want to go over to this little cloud download button where it says change template. Click on there, and then you can choose from one of these pre-made landing page templates. So any of these are good. So I'm just going to use this one. So I'm going to click on there, and I'm going to get the mini squeeze page version here. So click on there, choose that template, and it's going to load up. Right, once it's loaded up, you're free to edit this however you want. You can change the headline, you can change this bit of text here, you can change the background by, I think, going into landing page settings or something like that. You can find the background stuff in there. Now, the most important thing is we need to make sure that this plugs into our autoresponder. Okay, so the people who enter their name and their email address are going to go through onto our autoresponder so they can start receiving those emails straight away. And secondly, we need to make sure that this page then links up with our thank you page. Now, how do we do that? Okay, we go into the page, you click on this area here where it says lead generation area, and then you click on connect form to service, right? Now, I've already integrated my website with my GetResponse account, but I'm guessing that you probably haven't done this. So you need to click on add new API connection. Okay, this is going to load up the back office of Thrive, and then you're going to have to click on add a new connection. So select an app, and you're going to have to choose GetResponse from here. Now, I think because I've already chosen GetResponse, I don't have that option available anymore. Let me just click on edit. So it's going to look like this. Once you choose GetResponse, it's going to ask you for your API key. So you need to go into GetResponse, you need to click on your profile, you need to go to integrations and API. Okay, you need to click on API, and then you can grab this API key from here. So right click, copy, you go back to that page here, and then you can paste in your API key and you can click on connect. Okay, now that means that this page is now, where is it? Okay, this page now is communicating with my GetResponse account, with my autoresponder. So anybody who enters their name and email address into this page is going to get fed through onto my autoresponder, right? So we've connected that up, we've connected these two things up. The only other thing that we need to do now is make sure that our landing page goes to our thank you page as soon as people have opted in. So as soon as they've entered their name and their email address, they're automatically going to go through to this page, right? Now, to do that, again, you go to connect form to service, okay, and then you're going to go to, okay, we're going to choose our GetResponse account, and then set connection details. So this is where you're going to go and choose the list that you created originally in your GetResponse account. This is the list that those people are going to go through to. So choose your mailing list from here, drop down, we're going to go down to, where is it? Jono demo list 1. All right, and then you're going to start it from cycle day 0, click on continue, and then we're going to set the form fields. Okay, we are going to require their email address, and I am going to require their first name as well. You can add a form field in here if you want, like a phone number or something like that, if you want to collect that data. I don't recommend that you do that, as first name and email address is definitely sufficient. Click on next, and then this is where you're going to choose your redirect page. So we've already made our thank you page, right? We've grabbed that URL, we put it into a notepad. Now we're going to go and copy that URL again, right click copy, and we're going to go back to our page here, and we're going to click on redirect to a custom URL, and then you're going to paste that URL inside of there. Okay, click on save, right, and then click on save work. Now what's happened is, I can show you, let me show you preview. What's happened here is we've connected everything up. We've connected the landing page to the thank you page, okay? We've also connected the landing page to integrate with our autoresponder, so those emails are going to get sent out straight away. We've connected the thank you page to our affiliate link, and that affiliate link is going to connect people to the sales page, and hopefully they're going to buy something via our link. Now, we've also set up our emails, okay? I think we made a couple of emails in there. So that means that the people that opt into this landing page, they're going to get sent a series of emails, which each email is going to send them back to our affiliate link, and then ultimately to the sales page where we can get paid, right? So I'm going to try and show you live how this works. So this is the landing page we created. I'm just going to put my name and my wife's email address in there, and then I'm going to click on continue. So this is automatically redirected us to our thank you page, right, that we made, and it's automatically added me, or added my wife's email to my autoresponder, right? So then what's going to happen is if we click on the button that we made down here, that's going to redirect us to a sales page via our affiliate link. And then if I was to go and buy this for $7.61, or my customer's going to buy this for $7.61, we would get paid that 100% commission. That's how the basic funnel works. Now I hope you understand how we did it here. We worked backwards from our affiliate link to our thank you page, to our autoresponder, to our landing page. We didn't do it the other way around. It would have been a lot more confusing if we did that. So make sure that you work in that order. Go and set up your first funnel now. It's really not difficult to do. And then all you need to do is start sending traffic, targeted traffic to this landing page, and then you'll see money getting spit out the other end. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this 5-Minute Friday tutorial. All the best, take care, see ya.